Okay, we're finally here in our apartment, and let me just show you. It's a bit old, but it's quite big, spacious, and dining table. And this is the living area. So we can, hang out here. And we also have a view of the outside. I don't want to open this yet. And then going to the first bedroom is actually right across the entrance door. So this is the first bedroom. As you can see, spacious. We have the next bedroom over here. There. This one is a bit bigger because it has some sort of a foyer before the main bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2, again with the window. And across bedroom number 2 is actually the kitchen. So it's not that big, but sufficient, and it has lots of the things that we need. They even left us, some coffee. So yeah. The plates are inside the cupboards, but I won't open them anymore. So beside the bedroom number 2 is the bathroom. So here, it's really quite nice. I'm going to call this is bedroom number 3. It has an ensuite bathroom there. It is quite spacious. So here, let's open the light. They don't have a light. But here. And then at the end of the hallway is bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 3, and that's sister over there. So there. And it also has an ensuite bathroom. So they have there. There's another toilet here. Actually, it's a small one. And then there's also another bathroom. So it's a separate toilet and bath. So that ends the apartment tour, and now we really want to rest for a bit.